Today we are going to be drawing our own custom Mickey Mouses. So for that I am going to go ahead and start off with a simple circle. This one's going to be a little big. Try and center it in your paper. And then we're going to make two smaller circles. Of course, this is just our base, so there is no need for it to be perfect. We can perfect it once we outline it. And then we're going to erase this part where they overlap. My eraser isn't very good, it's leaving lines, but that's okay. So once we have our shape, we can go ahead and finish our outline. I'm just using these markers from Five Below, and I'm going to go ahead and outline it with this nice pink. Just like that. Of course, it can be any color you want. It could be black, blue, yellow, red, purple, green. It's really up to you. So I'm just going to take a steady hand and outline my Mickey Mouse shape. After that, I'm going to give it its own little face. You guys, at this point, you guys can do whatever you want with it. You can make like a little scene in it, like a little city, or give it a face. I'm going to go ahead and give mine some trees. And then over here, I think on the ears, I'm going to add two peace signs. At this point, after the shape, the creativity is all yours. You can do whatever you want with it. And then I think in purple, which is my favorite color, I'm going to add my name. And I'm just going to make bubble letters over here. After that, I'm going to color that in with a yellow. Well, my yellow's not working, so I guess I won't color it. Now, after the shape and everything, like I said, this is all up to you. Everything on the inside is just up to you. This is just an example. I just wanted to show you an example to, give you guys some ideas. I would love to see everyone's different Mickey Mouses. So if you want to do one and drop it off by the library for me to see, I would absolutely appreciate it.